There's the back porch. Usually these are about 2-3 foot taller. They're all sagged down because of the weight of the snow. You can see just how much snow is actually here. I measured that earlier, about 3 hours ago, and it was 24 inches. It looks to be much more than that now. Chain link fence is 3.5 feet tall. That's how much snow's up against it. Every time I shovel, I have to keep doing it again. I just shoveled right before I started this video. Another 1/2 inch. See how much snow has accumulated. People are truly snowed in. Here's my street. That car doesn't look too bad. Here's the little groove I had to cut out. Looks like somebody's also done the sidewalks. I honestly cannot believe there's this much snow. Look at that height. 1, 2, 3, almost 4 steps up. That is past my knees. That is a true 2 feet. Sorry about the water droplet on the lens. Unavoidable in these conditions naturally. Signing off.